mpaka unaweka mabati, si ni kweli?
Now, Kenya is positioning the bioeconomy as a new driver of industrialization, investment, and economic growth over the next decade. Speaking during the launch of the National Bioeconomy Strategy 2026 to 2036 in Nairobi, Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia said the strategy will guide national and regional efforts to unlock the economic potential of biological resources. He also added that the initiative goes beyond science and environmental conservation, positioning it as a whole economic and industrial strategy aligned with the country's bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
Bioeconomy offers us a new way of thinking about development. It provides an opportunity to decouple economic growth from the depletion of natural resources, while creating new forms of value from the biological resources and knowledge that we possess. In this sense, the bioeconomy strategy is not simply a scientific or environmental strategy. It is a whole of government, economic and industrial strategy that fits squarely within our broader development ambitions under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. In research and early development, through commercialization and ultimately to scale.
Looking at the entire value chain, looking at how we can be able to build capacity and capability, how we can also be able to use our biological resources for the benefit of the society. It's not about creating more biological resources, but adding value to whatever we have.